So this is my current Extra 300 from Extreme Flight. It flies really nice and has lots of power with this motor. And this is the new one. It's a 78-inch version, and let's do some unboxing. So these are the wings. These contain the, this is the, what is this called? The horizontal stabilizer, I think. It has two. And this motor has lots of power, and this one will go on the new one. So it's 4.5 kilowatts, and it has 9 kilos of thrust. Way too much for this one. This is the 70-inch, and it will go now on the 78-inch, and that thing weighs almost 5 kilos. And hopefully this one is going to weigh the same, because it's a much lighter airframe. So I chose for the yellow scheme. It has nice stickers on here and a manual. And what else do we have? All shiny and new. The spinner cap. The spinner is normally not included, so I had to buy it separately. This one is not painted perfectly. That's what you get with the Chinese. This is the tail wheel. These are motor standoffs. I also had to buy these separately. And I don't know what this is. The carbon fiber landing gear. And this includes some hardware and the wheels. This is also for on the landing gear. The wheel hubs. And these are the extra stabilizer fins for on the wings. Also something hardware, and this has nothing to do with this plane. So nice clear canopy. Looks pretty much the same as the old one, only the latch is different. And here we have, it looks like a really nice rigid airframe. Really light. So I'm going to build this one, and then we will see how light it will be. I hope that it is the same weight as the other one, only one size bigger, and that we will see in a short while. And it's done. Almost. In a little while we're going to test it. This is 2 meter wingspan, 78 inch, and should be really nice. So keep an eye on the channel to see how it goes.